Hello and welcome to uxColor. I want to talk a little bit about what we mean when we talk about market cohesion, or a synonym would be market similarity. And basically, market cohesion, as we look at a uxColor map, is the degree of the pattern strength or the degree of the vertical banding. So this market is pretty cohesive or similar over the last year. Most of the issues were down and are up now for a year. A little bit of difference. Let's go back in time. This is at a 1 year basis, and you're going to see this resort light come on as I move, and that's just because I've changed the time frame, and it's saying if you have a sort that's dependent on time, you need to resort. I'm going to go back here, and I'm trying to look for a yearly pattern that's not quite as cohesive. And here's one. I knew where I wanted to take you. Here's a pattern that's not quite as cohesive as today's pattern. A little bit of breakup in the color trend along the right side. Let's go back to today. But when I really look at market cohesion, and I look at it in part because we found that a cohesive market has direction. It has a strong trend. A market that lacks direction, has a weak color pattern, lacks cohesion, could be a market that's looking for direction and is open to a big move. And I'm going to do that in a 1 month basis. So this is a market that's a very cohesive pattern. See that resort light comes on. That's just because now I'm going to use my keyboard to move back in time, and we're going to explore how this market got to this cohesive pattern. So we're going back before that red drop. This is a period of time when there was political uncertainty in the Middle East, in the Ukraine region, Russia in the Ukraine and the Crimea. And so this is a market that doesn't have a strong pattern, doesn't have a lot of cohesion. It's looking for a direction, political uncertainty. And now as we step forward to the present time, today's August 29th, we'll see the market starting to gain cohesion. Now the market's gaining cohesion and direction, and the direction is down. And there's more and more strength in the cohesion, and it's more of a downturn. And the downturn runs for a few days. And now I see that a local bottom was hit, and the market's gaining cohesion. And now the cohesion and the trend is up across the market. This is the SP 100. You could do this with the SP 500 or another map. And now I see that the strength and the trend is, and the color pattern is stronger, and it's heading up. And the uptrend there becomes very strong across all these 100 issues. So that's a little bit about market cohesion and how we use it. Come see us at uxcolor.com. Thank you.